In this video, I want to show you how to add data to grid in SAGA GIS. This is more like connecting to your folder and connecting to your data, especially raster or vector. So to do that, it's quite simple. When you open your SAGA GIS, this is the interface. So to add data to grid, come to File and come to Data. Here you can see different options here. You see table, shapes, point cloud, scene, grid, and grid collection. Now we want to add data to grid. Click on grid. This will request you to navigate to your working folder where you have your data saved. So here I want to use this folder as an example, and I want to add any of this data, which is a raster data, to grid. So just click on your data and click on open. When you do that, you can see that the data has been added to your grid, and you can see it here. This is grid and this is the data you have connected to, such that if you want to open this data, it's just a matter of double clicking it here, just like this, and your data will be open at the data view interface. So in short, this is a quick and short way of adding data to grid in SAGA GIS. In the next tutorial, I will show you further analysis in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.